guys, this is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another piece of new inventory. This is a MasterCraft NXT23. This is one of our nice pieces. I'm going to take you through the boat, show you a few of our favorite features inside. This boat is here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. MarineMax is going to be your one-stop shop to get everything taken care of for your boat. We've got awesome financing options, insurance we're going to help you take care of. We've got a huge pro shop. In there, you're going to be able to take care of your boards, your life jackets, anything that you're going to need on the boat. And then also on the back end, we have our great service department. We're going to be able to take care of you, give you that peace of mind out there on the water so that you guys don't have to worry and you guys can just enjoy the summer. So let's take a step inside and take a look at some of the features. All right guys, starting off on the transom of the boat, one of our favorite features is on our new fiberglass swim platform. We actually have this swim step that's going to fold into the water. This is really nice. It's going to make it really easy for people to have a little bit of a tougher time getting in and out of the boat. They can get on and off really easily, and also you can hang out, chill in the water, and be a little bit in there, cool off a little bit. Let's take a step inside. All right guys, as we step inside of the boat, you can see we've got this awesome tan interior. This is our cool feel fabric, so even on those hot summer days, you're gonna be able to stay cool. You can sit anywhere on the boat and you're gonna be all right. We do have our awesome Z6 tower with our clamping board racks, keeping your surfboards safe and secure while you're out there on the water, as well as JL audio cans, as well as JL audio throughout the boat. You'll be able to hear you coming from a ways away. As we step inside the boat, you can see on the helm, we have our analog dials and all of our switches to control the boat, as well as our surf system. This is going to make it really easy to tailor your ride to each rider. And then also it's going to make it really easy on the captain while you're out there driving. Don't have to worry about things. You just use that surf system to get set up. On the port side here, we have our communicating storage all the way throughout the boat. This is going to make it so that you can store all your towels, life jackets, anything that you're going to bring on the boat is going to be secured in there, so you don't have it flying around while you're out there on the water and not cluttering up any space for people to sit. Finally, as we step forward into the bow, you can see we have a more traditional bow design for this boat. It makes it look really sleek on the outside, and you're going to be able to fit 2 to 3 adults up here. You're going to be able to be up here sunbathing, doing your own thing, while everybody else is in the boat. It makes it really comfortable, and you can get a lot more people in your boat. Again, this is a MasterCraft NXT23 here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. I'm Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.